Okay, here in 3.2, before we start talking about the law of sines, I want to start talking about the naming convention for triangles. And that's based on the information given. Okay, so here are some triangles from the book. And here are your choices. You have angle, angle, side, or side, angle, angle. Those are the same. ASA is angle, side, angle. And then you have SSA or ASS, that's side, side, angle, or angle, side, side. So basically, you have to look at what you're given. So if you look here at triangle 2, right, we can ignore the R because we're not given that. But we're given here two angles and a side, right? And so you have to look at what is given consecutively, okay? And you have to pick a starting point. So basically, 5.8 is my starting point, and I'm going to go in this direction, right? So I have one side, and then I have the next two angles. So this is a side angle angle type triangle. Okay, if you wanted to start here with this angle and go angle, angle, side, that's fine too. But you cannot go from this 26.9 degrees to this 5.8 because you're skipping over this entire side and you don't have this angle here. Okay, so you can either start from the 5.8 and go this way like I did to get SAA, or you can start from the 26.9 and go this way for an SAA. Okay, let's take a look at number 3. So this, basically you would start with this 50.9 and go this way, and that would be angle, side, angle. The other thing that you can do is start at this 95.2 and go this way, where you have angle, side, angle. Okay, you wouldn't go from this 95.2 to the 50.9 because you're missing this side, this angle, and this other side. Okay, that information's not given, so you can't use it. Okay, so let's take a look at number 5. This one's kind of interesting. Let's start here at this 35.2 and go this way. While I don't have a side D, I do have the next consecutive angle. Okay, so this is an angle, angle, side triangle, an AAS, or if you chose to start at the 16, you would go this way and have angle, sorry, side, angle, angle. So this is OR SAA. Okay, and they're equivalent. Oops, not that one, sorry. It's this one. Okay. Let's take a look at number 6. We can ignore the K. But we have a side, an angle, and another consecutive angle. So this would be SAA or AAS. Okay, and you'll notice here that they're the same thing. Alright, let's take a look at 11. Here I'm given one angle and two sides. And notice that I have an angle, and then if I work this way, I have two consecutive sides. So this is ASS. Or if I start here at 800 and I go this way, I have side, side, angle. So it's OR side, side, angle. You might not see that. But 12 is kind of the same thing because I have side, side, angle if I start at the 100 and go this way. So that's side, side, angle. Or if I start at the 81 degrees, I have angle, side, side. Now it's important to be able to identify what kind of a triangle you have, because you need to be aware of one type, because when we use the law of sines, based on the information given, for a certain type of triangle, which I'll talk about later, you may have 0 possible triangles, 1 possible triangle, or even 2 possible triangles. Okay? So it's important to be able to identify the type of triangle that you're dealing with before you even begin solving.